Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to use this one divided by cosine s, this one with cosine s. Cosine s divided by cosine s, we have number 1, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative with sine s over cosine s. This is for integrating factor. So the integration of this one, we have ln of cosine s, and this one we have cosine s, because I just apply the formula in here. That means we need to multiply both sides by cosine s. So this one we have sine s. This one we have sine s. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we look carefully, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have negative sine s, that is about first derivative of cosine s multiplied by y, that is about 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y cosine s. The integration of negative sine s, we have cosine s. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition in here. That means when s equals to b over 4, y equals to number 2. So we put this one to find the value of c. So I will put this one go here, here, and here. Number 2, I will put this one go here. So if we simplify everything, and we have c equals to number 0, so we put number 0 go here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.